Whether you're investing in local stocks or exploring the global markets, eToro offers you the flexibility to choose the best approach. On eToro, you can use your GBP account alongside your US dollar account to enjoy all the benefits of a global broker with a local twist. With hundreds of British stocks and thousands of global assets available, it's easier than ever to diversify your portfolio. By holding funds in GBP and US dollars, you can manage your currency exposure and stay ahead of rate fluctuations along the way. When it comes to trading, simply select the asset and choose the currency account that suits your strategy at the moment. For example, buying GBP-based stocks with funds from your GBP account means you can skip conversion fees entirely. Want to view all of your eToro holdings in a different currency? We have more than 20. Want to withdraw funds? Enjoy zero fees on withdrawals from your GBP account. Need to move funds? Get discounted FX fees when converting between your currency accounts. And if you're an eToro Club member, you get even bigger discounts. When you want to deep dive into the British or global markets, check out the eToro Academy, where we give you access to local and global analysts for in-depth market insights to help you invest with confidence. So whether you're investing globally or locally, we've got your back. Find out more on eToro.com/local. See you there.